I've been asked more than once if it's possible to share the saved settings of my scripts with other users. Yes, it is possible, and I'll show you how. But note, this only applies to my scripts. How authors of other scripts do it, I couldn't say. That's for them to explain. And this doesn't apply to every one of my scripts. Only those that have a Save Settings feature, which appears at the bottom of the interface just before the OK and Cancel buttons. For scripts without the Settings section, there aren't saved settings to share. But some scripts without the section do save the last choices used. However, there's not much point in sharing that. I'll show how it works in macOS and on Windows. You might have scripts from other authors that store a text file alongside the script. I chose not to do it that way because I prefer settings are stored the way applications store them, in the User folder. On macOS, in the Finder, open the Go menu. Select Go to Folder. Enter ~/library. This opens the library folder under the User folder for the account currently signed in. This is where most applications store information. Find the folder Application Support and open it. Within that, locate the folder Mars Premedia. Inside are files for each of my scripts that store information. The full path to the location is shown below. Users, the username, library, application support, Mars Premedia. If the path isn't showing and you're curious, this is enabled in the View menu. Show Path bar. Mine is already showing, so it has Hide instead. The files in this folder are JSON format. It's plain text, but a particular structure. To see one, right-click and open with TextEdit. Sharing these doesn't require understanding the contents, but if you are curious, watch my video about the JSON format and how it works. See the link in the description. To share any settings file, simply copy it to a network drive, a USB stick, or directly to another user's computer. Whatever method works for you. Put the settings file at the same location in the other user folder. That's it. On Windows it works the same, just a different location. Open File Explorer. In the address bar, enter %appdata%. This opens the App Data Roaming folder in the User folder for the account currently signed in. Within that, locate the folder Mars Premedia. There are the settings files. Copy files to the same location in the other user folder. It also works between macOS and Windows. The settings files are not platform-specific. Like this video if it helps, and subscribe for more videos. Also, leave a comment. I'm always looking for new script ideas. Let's hear your ideas for future scripts. All suggestions are welcome. Thank you for watching.